In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix website mobile-friendly in just 5 minutes. Whether you're creating a new site or optimizing an existing one, these steps will help ensure your website looks great and functions well on mobile devices. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Wix's website. Once there, if you haven't already, you'll need to create an account or log in to your existing account. This will allow you to access your dashboard where all the magic happens. After logging in, navigate to your existing project or create a new site if that's what you prefer. This is where you'll begin enhancing the mobile experience of your website. Now, you want to switch to Mobile View. Look at the top part of the Wix editor, and you'll find a Mobile View option. Clicking this will allow you to see how your website looks on mobile devices and make it easier to adjust the layout specifically for phones and tablets. Once in Mobile View, take time to adjust the layout and elements for mobile responsiveness. You might notice some elements don't sit perfectly in this view, and that's completely normal. Use this opportunity to adjust each element, including text boxes, images, and videos, to ensure they fit well on smaller screens. You want your website to be just as impressive on a phone as it is on a desktop. Next, you'll want to look at each element individually. Clicking on an element will give you various customization options. Here's a nifty tool. If an element doesn't quite serve a purpose on mobile, or it's causing layout issues, you can hide it from mobile users. Simply click on the element and then look for the Hide on Mobile icon, which is often represented by a small crossed-out mobile phone symbol. Clicking this will ensure the element is hidden on mobile devices but still visible on desktops. Now, let's talk about menus. For a mobile-friendly experience, it's best to use mobile-friendly menus, commonly known as hamburger menus. This condenses your menu into a neat and accessible icon, letting users easily navigate through your site. Beyond that, you can further customize the style of these mobile menus to match your site's aesthetic, ensuring both functionality and appearance are top-notch. Additionally, don't forget to optimize your fonts and buttons. On mobile, readability is key, so ensure font sizes are large enough to read on small screens. Buttons should be big enough to tap comfortably with a finger. Having made all these adjustments, click on Wix's preview mode to see how it all comes together on mobile devices. If everything looks good, and fingers crossed it does, your final step is to click on the Publish button. This will make all your changes live, ensuring visitors have a smooth mobile experience. And there you have it. In just 5 minutes, you've made your Wix website mobile-friendly. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you create an efficient and visually appealing mobile site.